Hi, I'm Jacob and I'll be talking you through the quick, simple process of getting a quote for solar panels on iHeat's website. Head to iHeat.co.uk/quote and you will get to this page here. What would you like a quote for? And today we're after a solar install. It then prompts us to enter in our address. We'll type in our postcode BL53NF. We're just going to go for the office here because it's quite easy to narrow it down. Then it'll show a Google image or satellite image of the property where we want our solar panels to go. Now, in this case, this office is like a warehouse/barn, so it looks a lot bigger than your normal house, but if the red pin is on the correct place, you can then click continue. If it is not, you can click edit at the top and then select the roof on the map. So it could be over there, it could be up here, but for now, let's just click here and let's get a quote. Are you a homeowner, renting, or a landlord? So for this, we are going to say we're the homeowner. What type of home do you live in? For this, again, I'm just going to put a detached house. And do you know your yearly electricity usage? So I'm just going to use my home electricity usage, which is around 3,000 kilowatt hours a year, and click continue. If for whatever reason you do not know your year electricity usage, this could be because you've only just moved in, or you just don't get electricity bills for your door, so you just do not know. Click no, and then it'll say how many people live in your home. So let's say 3 to 4 people. Do you have an electric vehicle, as this can use a lot more to charge? And when are people normally at home? So half the day if they're at work, all day if they work from home, or hardly at home because you live abroad, I don't know. It'll then create a sort of estimate number of usage and what we expect you to use. But I recommend for the most accurate estimate, please go to your electricity bills from maybe Eon or Octopus Energy and try and find out your total annual usage. Or look at usage for the month and times it by 12 to get a rough estimate. It is then going to generate solar estimates based on a few different factors, and straight away it lets you save your quote for future usage in case you are in a bit of a hurry. I think this is very important that you do this, as you want to keep that price the same for the next few days. Enter in your email address, enter in your phone number, and save your quote. Here we go then, there is quite a lot of information to digest. You've got the map at the top to make sure you've collected the right property. You want to get a price for your neighbours. And then also your estimated savings on the right, which I like a lot. For me, it says that I could save up to £600 a year on electricity bills, which is a considerable amount of money. And all I have to do is get these panels on the roof. Underneath here, you can then see what options we have available. And we have the ICO NeoStar 3S 470 watt panels, which is what we've chosen to install at iHeat. These are likely going to change throughout the year, and what you get quoted may not be the same panels, as we try different brands and products and just hear different reviews and feedback from the customers. It goes on to tell you about the warranty, so these things have 25 years on them. Then it tells you what battery option you can go for or should go for. You've got a 10 kilowatt battery there, a 5 kilowatt there, and there's also crazy things like the Tesla Powerwall, which is a much bigger battery, which of course the price goes up for. You can also then change the number of panels available. So if you wanted more than 8, let's say, oh, this is a big house, I've got more space for panels, you can keep going up and see how much that affects the price, which, to be fair, for each panel, it's not a lot of money. You can also see their monthly from, because we are offering finance on these solar panels, which may help you get them over the line. The fact that you can save money on your bills annually by paying a monthly price for solar panels is rather exciting, not to mention the amount of money you can sell back to the grid when you create electricity. On the more details page, you can see more specifications and a bit more information on the panels and the battery itself. So if you are a bit of a tech whiz or you just want to know what you're putting on your roof, you can get all the specs there for the output, the model numbers, the warranties, the size of it, the kilowatt size of the inverters, and then a nice run through of what's included so you can see where all your money's going for. So you've got the MCS certification, you've got your solar panels, the inverter, the battery, roof fittings, electrical fittings, all the parts needed to get onto your roof, and also scaffolding and access equipment, which is a big chunk of the job. At any point, if you are struggling to make a decision, you don't really know much about these panels or about the Tesla Powerwall or which one's best for you, as there is options here without a battery, which you might want to look into, you can just go over here, live chat, call the office, request a callback, or chat on WhatsApp, which is a very nice new feature to the website. For this one though, I'm going to select with more details for the top one, which is a 10 kilowatt battery, as I'm happy with that for my amount of usage. And you can inquire now to start the process. With solar panels, this is a bit more complicated than boilers, where we have to map out your roof, we have to look at it, how is it going to work, how many panels can we actually fit on there. So whilst we are a next day boiler installation company, please do not expect the same just yet for solar panels. Any questions, please let me know in the comments down below, or get in touch with our customer service team for any extra help, and I will see you in the next one. This has been iHeat.